Hey, welcome back. Tonight I'm gonna do a feather kiss pour, hopefully. Um, I've tried this once before. It did not go as planned, but I did like the outcome of what I did get, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it again. Couldn't decide what I wanted to do tonight. So the colors I chose were just red, yellow, and orange. I went kind of basic. I did add 1 drop of silicone to each color except for the base and the black as well. So there is that. Most of my paints are mixed 2-to-1 ratio, Floetrol to paint, and a splash of water just to get the consistency right. I did learn a couple of things when pouring it. Right now, looking at it, I probably would have changed out maybe the order of the paint a little bit, but it's too late now, right? So here we go. I'm going to torch it since there is some silicone in it, see if anything happens. But for the most part, I know a lot of the mistakes when it comes to this is tilting too much, or I don't know, it's maybe when it's pouring, you pour too much paint and whatnot. So, I mean, this was probably this one is looking a lot better than my first one, so I am happy about that. Another thing, when you do pour your paint, I would suggest not. I guess when you're pouring it, you don't want to have a lot of leftover paint in the center. Otherwise, you'll have some problems with it, either too much paint left on the canvas or stretching, whatnot like that. So you really do want your paints to have the same consistency, just because, I mean, really, if they're not, when you're pouring it, one might, I don't know, one's not going to move as fast as the other one, so it could really mess up your pour. So just something to check out, I guess. So as you can see, I'm just trying to separate. You can see, I know my head's in the way, sorry. But those little black lines leading in from the base, I'm trying to separate them just a little bit and get the color to go out. That way it looks like the feather has been frayed. I believe that's the right word. I mean, that's what it is in my head, at least. So that's what I'm trying to do, is just get those little frays out. That way it'll look like a ruffled, frayed feather when it dries. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do here. I really didn't know what I wanted to do tonight, so it was either this or a galaxy pour, but it's too late in the night for me to attempt that one, so that's going to be for another day or another night. So here I'm going to do the line down the center for the feather. I'm going to come back and I'm going to make the bottom part of the feather tip, make that probably just a little bit more thicker, just so where the paint doesn't disappear into the black. It's just more noticeable that way. Try to stretch it out just a little bit more to see if I can, I don't know, just get a little bit more out of it to cover up the canvas. But it doesn't look like I want to get much more, so I'm just going to put it down because I don't want to mess it up. Again, if I did that, I'd probably be upset with myself. We've all been there, right? I'll get you down for a closer look. Let's see. So here's a close-up of it the next day. So it's not fully dry, but still turned out good. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. I hope y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching.